Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy James from Forte, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install windshield wipers on your BMW. Let's get it. All right, everyone, so I did pick up these windshield wipers right here from Amazon. I did get them from Amazon for 27 bucks, and they were delivered super quick. We all know Amazon can ship stuff out super quick. I would recommend you getting those. I will be linking those down below so you can pick those up. That is going to be the affiliate link. So anything you buy from that affiliate link helps me continue to do videos like this for you guys. So I really do appreciate it if you do buy from that link down below. But like I said, these are about 27 bucks, a little bit cheaper than what you can get at a dealership. I've called around a couple dealerships. They quoted me anywhere between 35 to 40 bucks for the windshield wipers. So I went ahead and caught them off Amazon and got the shipping for free because I'm an Amazon Prime user. So got it shipped right to my door, make it super easy and convenient. So I needed to make sure that I got the right windshield wipers for my car. So I did go to the BMW site, did look inside my instruction manual, was able to get the right product code. But if you go on Amazon, use the link down below. Like I said, it'll take you right to the exact one that you need. So this one right here, it is a 24-inch blade and an 18-inch blade. And it says this right here on the package that it will fit any F32, F33, F36, F82, and F83. BMW. So this is what size you're going to need if you have any of those cars. It looks like the coupes and the Grand Coupes. It should fit any of those. So this is the exact blade you'll need for your vehicle if you happen to have one of those. So all right, so now let's go ahead and get to the process of installing these blades. All right, everyone, so with the way BMW has installed their windshield wipers on these cars, they kind of sit right below the hood line, which is right here. So as you see right here, if I try to pull it up, it hits right here. So there's no way that I can install it just like this. So you want to make sure you want to put this into what they call maintenance mode. So that's what we're going to do right now. We're going to put this into maintenance mode. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that inside the vehicle. All right, everyone, so as you can see, I'm inside my car. So what we're going to do to put it into maintenance mode, what you're going to do is hit the start stop button once. Then after you hit it once, you'll hit it again. And then this lever right here, you're going to hold it up. And then you should see it make a full swing. And then it kind of stays right there. So after it does the full swing, you'll see these stay up. And then now we got it in maintenance mode. So now at this point, we can go ahead and work on swapping out these old dirty blades. All right, guys, so as I showed you inside the car, the blades are up. So now we can go about switching out these blades. So let's go ahead and start with the one that's right here. That's going to be closest to us. So what you're going to do is you can pull this straight up, and now it can sit up so you can actually work on it. So let me reposition the camera here so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing here. As you can kind of see right here, this is up. It's positioned to the point where we can actually do the maintenance on it. So now what I'm going to do is zoom in on these little tabs. All right, so right here, there's going to be these little tabs here. And as you push in on the tabs, there's going to be one on both sides. So I'm going to grab it like this, push in on them, and then kind of pull up, and boom, the old windshield wiper just pops right off. And now that I'm looking at it, this thing looks kind of dirty. So definitely time to replace these. All right, so now I went inside the box, and like I said, there's going to be two wipers inside the box. As you can see, they come in these little cardboard little sleeves right here. So what you're going to do is look for the longest one, because this is the 24 side, and this side, I believe, what is it, 18? Yeah, 24 is on this side, 18 is on the passenger. 24 driver, 18 passenger. So I'm going to go ahead and just slide this right out of the packaging. All right, so now we got the new blade right here. So now what I'm going to go ahead and do is reverse what I just did. So I'm going to come in at an angle, probably about right here. And you'll see this little piece that sticks up right here that kind of matches up right there. So I'm going at an angle, boom, slide it down, boom, squeeze the tab in, boom. Now give it a little push, pull. Everything looks good. Fold it back down, and we're good to go. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the other side. So as you guys can see here, both windshield wipers are now installed. Super easy, super quick. Definitely do not go to the dealership and have these put them in for you. Go to AutoZone, somewhere like that. If you don't feel that comfortable with doing this yourself, go to your local auto parts store. They can do it super quick for you. I'm pretty sure they can. This is a super simple job. Anyone should be able to do this. Anyone can do this. If you have a BMW, you definitely should be able to do this yourself. So don't worry about going to a dealer. Don't worry about going to a shop, paying them, you know, $90 in labor to do this. You know, it's definitely something easy that anyone should be able to do. So now that these are back in, now we have to put these back down in the regular position. So I'm gonna go back inside the car and show you how to do that now. All right, everyone, so as you can see, we're back in the car. So what we're gonna do now is do the exact same thing we did to get these wipers up. We're gonna do the exact same thing to get them back down. So we're gonna hit the start stop button, cut everything on, hit the start stop button again, cut it off. And then I'm gonna hold this lever right here, hold it up. And then as you see here, these windshield wipers they'll fold right back down. So now they are down in the down position and we are good to go. All right, everybody. So as you saw right there, the process is super simple, super easy, man. So definitely hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if this video helped you out today. And like I said, please do not go to the dealership to do this. Do this on your own. I'm guaranteed it'll save you some money and time. Definitely hit that link down below to order your own windshield wipers and do it yourself, man. So as always, please hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll holler at y'all later, man. Peace.